I'm bored. Hey, Carl. Hey, Carl. Say, what are you drinking there? Oh, this? This is freak juice. Freak juice, eh? What's freak juice? I don't know. Well, it's a pretty nice night. What do you mean we're inside? Yeah, it's a pretty nice night inside. Okay. Does anyone want to try freak juice? No, Carl, I do not want to try freak juice. Why? It's freaky. You're right, it is freaky. Crane, any idea? No. Today, I'm gonna be looking for the shadow bird. The what, Carl, you piece of garbage? The shadow bird. What? The shadow bird? What in the heck is that? Carl, you don't look so well. Oh, I'm fine. A shadow bird? What's it like? I heard it's black and skinny. It has a black metal beak. And I heard it can travel through shadows. Carl, isn't that one of those old wives' tales? My wife doesn't have a tail. Carl, you don't have a wife. I don't? No, nobody's gonna love you, Carl. Nobody loves you. I guess you're right about that. So, where does one find a shadow bird? I heard they're on planet Nudnik. What?! That feels familiar. I feel like someone said that before. Wait a minute. Something just got freaky. Probably all that freaky juice. I think what he means is that something changed. I don't think anything changed, guys. No, I swear there was a change in the lighting. I felt it too. What are you guys talking about? I was talking about that. That's kind of weird. I know, right? Maybe it was. Maybe that was the shadow bird. No, the shadow bird's a myth. No, that was him. No, the shadow bird is a myth. Then explain that. That was a moth. Everything is moth of you, Nighthawk. I'm disappointed in you. I've lost all respect for you. Well, this just got cancerous. Freak juice, I love freak juice, freak juice, I love freak juice, I love Nudnik, wonderful world of Nudnik. Carl, what are you doing? Nothing. What's that? What? There was something there, I swear! There's nothing there. Yeah, there's nothing there. Yes, there's something there! No, I don't think so. I'm gonna go get me some freaky juice. What? There's something on your freaky juice. It's just freaky juice. I saw something. Guys, I saw something in the corner of my eye. You guys are all delirious. You're delirious delinquents. Delirious delinquents, delirious delinquents. You're dumber than a cooked old frog. Dumb old delinquents, dumb old delinquents, dumber than an average frog. Dumb old delinquents, dumb old delinquents, dumb in countryside. Ah! What happened on the end there? I stubbed my toe! But, Crane, you don't have toes. I don't? Guys, I saw something in the corner of my eye. Was it the shadow bird? No. What? Wait, I heard something. That's just a cat. When a black cat crosses your path, it's bad luck. That's not a black cat. I saw something! There was something on that suspicious ledge right there. I saw it! It was shadowy. Maybe it was the shadow bird. I'm starting to get a little, heebie-jeebies. Wait, look over there. What's that? Hey, wait. Hey. What? Guys, there was something right there. Was it the shadow bird? I think so. I saw something. We need to contact an expert of the unknown. What? We need to contact an expert of the unknown so we can help them out. I know just a guy. Crane, your idea to go out to eat yesterday was pretty terrible. I don't trust you. Guys, that was Carl's idea. You poor soul. Anyways, I know exactly who can tell us exactly what's going on and tell us exactly everything. So we'll exactly know exactly what exactly happened, exactly with, exactly shadow, exactly bird, exactly. How do you know it'll work, Ren? What? Ren? My name's not Ren! Who's Ren? Well, that's something you don't see every day. Let's just go to the expert! Expert, I tell you! Here's the expert on paranormal stuff. I cried. What, you think I'm gonna believe a hobo? He's not a hobo! He knows everything about the unexplained. I don't know, he can't even stand up properly. It's okay. He just has his own ways that he rolls. So, what do you want to know? We want to inquire information about the shadow bird. The shadow bird? Oh, I know about the shadow bird. Can you tell us? Shadow bird comes on moonlit nights. Under moon shadows. No one knows where he came from. No one knows where he goes. But on moonlit nights, he'll come out and terrorize towns in the shadows. There's no way to defeat him except for Hazelweed. Even then, he's far too powerful with this black magic. Some say he's a witch. Others say it's a phantom. I think it's a witch from a different dimension. Just throw up on me? No, I didn't. I'd say watch out for that thing. You never know where it'll be lurking. It's lurking. Okay, very informative. Let's go now. Why? He has more to say. No, I don't. Oh, I just want to spend time with him. Come on, guys. Well, huh? Why am I floating? Why am I floating? I'm not supposed to be floating. Where am I going? I don't know. Well, congrats, Crane, for the best idea in the universe. Oh, you mean it? No. I don't know, he was fun. He was a hobo. He's cool. Yeah, Carl gets it. He's probably delirious. There's no such thing as dark magic and shadow birds. But there's been various times where our view was our lighting was obstructed by a shadow on the lamp. Ugh, you piece of garbage. I'm telling the truth. I'm gonna stand up Crane on this one. There is a shadow bird, and he's come to doom us all. There's not a shadow bird. Even if there was, what would he want to do in our house? Murder. No, there's no such thing. Well, the lighting did change earlier, didn't it? That was a moth. Well, I think we should at least look. Crane, make a crane noise. My box is busted. Oh, okay. We're the only two that work here. Aha! The one... Sorry, I'm not gonna join your side. I'm joining mine. I'm joining their side. What? You delinquents! He called us delinquents. Looks like it's up to just us, because he does not like free thinkers. Carl, you work again? I know. I was just holding it in to trick you guys. Okay. Man, I hate free thinkers. There's no such thing as a shadow bird. There's never going to be a shadow bird if nothing has anything to say about it. Well, where did I get that from? There's no such thing as shadow bird! Oh, and suddenly now it's real. Shadow bird! Let me take a look. Are you a shadow bird? Yeah, I'm a shadow bird. We gotta scram! We need to find a way to distinguish him. Distinguish. But guys, there's one important thing we must all know. My beak is black and yellow. My beak is black and yellow. Look at that beak shine. Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? There's a shadow bird on the loose. Cardinal sounds. I'll stand up to him. No, honey, it's too dangerous. Hey, I can look at what I want. Honey, it's too dangerous. Don't go. Carl, I must do what a guy must do. Why is there a Roadrunner toy here? I do not know. Okay, shot. Crane, are you okay? No. Can you breathe? No. Are you gonna survive this? No. Okay, bye, Crane. We just lost Crane. Did he die again? Yep. Ha, you'll never be able to catch the shadow bird. I can do anything and more. I'm a funny shadow bird. Hey, why'd you make Crane bleed? Huh? What? I said, why'd you make Crane bleed? Because I don't care. Are you where we could catch him right now? Oh, of course. Can't. Get a grip, soldier! Oh, there he goes! Where is he? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Guys, I can't find the funny bird. It's the shadow bird. No, it's the funny bird. Na-nick, na-nick, na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-nick. Well, you shut up! Maybe we should watch the Mr. Carrot and Becky show. Guys! You're being imbeciles again. I'm doing a neck dance. What are you guys even doing? We're supposed to be catching a freaky bird. Freaky juice? Why do you always talk about freaky juice? What is freaky juice even made out of? It's made out of freak juice. It's so freaky. Okay, I don't want to hear the ingredients. Hello, guys. It's the shadow bird again. Okay, listen here, you piece of... I forgot the punchline. So, you guys want to catch the shadow bird, hey? What even are you? I'm a witch from the underworld. Nevermore! What did you just say to me? What? Nevermore! That's offensive. Nevermore! Never. I'm gonna smite you for this. Hexing sounds. Carl! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? What happened to Carl? He got hexed into a different dimension. This guy's too close to me. Looks like we need to use the power of freakiness. No, we're not using the power of freakiness, Carl. Nudnik! Nudnik has nothing to do with this. What is Nudnik? It's a planet full of bippity boppity boop and be gone. Boop! Bolt! Carl? Bolt's gone. Ah! Okay, here's a man-to-man talk. Are you a man or a woman? I'm a shadow bird. Man or woman? Shadow bird. What gender are you? I'm a shadow bird. My gender is shadow bird. I identify as a shadow bird. What? Carl, can we get rid of this dude? Well, let's think back. Didn't the hobo say something about hazelweed? The hobo? Who cares about the hobo? He said something about hazelweed is the only thing that can, like, burn him, I guess. Where are we gonna get hazelweed, Carl? What do you mean? Isn't it, like, native to our area or something? Carl, you might be onto something. Oh, that's good to know. This video was sponsored to you by... I do not want to hear N-U-D-N-I-K. Kron, is that you? Yes, it's me, Kron. I got him by the tail. What? What? He evaded my presence. Just give up, boys. You can't get me. Nevermore. Urgh. I get angry when you say that about me. Carl? Carl, don't bail on us, Carl! Carl, don't bail on us! Carl, it's not that bad. Carl. Ha 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 ha, evil laughing sounds. Okay, where's Bolt? He got evaporated, remember? Oh yeah, right. Boop. Hey, I've been refreshed into existence. Refresh like a web page. We are quite the odd group. A northern cardinal, a whooping crane, a common nighthawk, and a citrus fruit. That's Baltimore Orioles. I do not care. First, I'm gonna start with you. I know your deepest, darkest secrets. You know what? Your deepest, darkest secrets. What? I know your deepest, darkest desires. What? See, you guys are making me want to use my black magic. Grr, grr. Oh, okay. This is getting monotonous. I'm gonna find Hazelweed and I'm gonna get rid of you. Guys, who's gonna get the Hazelweed? I'm gonna stay near Bolt because I don't want to get fried. I don't think he's gonna fry you. But last time I got fried, I never saw the world the same again. Boiling puddles of grease. Ugh. Carl, why are you just telling us this now? Barbecue ribs, barbecue ribs, barbecue ribs. Crane! Focus. Who's gonna get the Hazelweed? You're going to get Nighthawk. Oh, man. Hey, I heard you have some Hazelweed in the house. Why couldn't have you told me that earlier? It's on the mantle. You'll find it. Okay, stay clear of the black weirdo. Maybe it's because of the freaky juice. Hazelweed acquired. Okay, I got the Hazelweed. Nighthawk, that's a maple! You idiot! You idiotic piece of interdimensional scum! I hope Space Invader Zoltron destroys you. Crane! What are you talking about? I guess I just shoved this in his face. You really think Hazelweed is gonna get rid of me? Dark magic stuff, reverse light magic or something stuff. He's gone! Guys, I just got rid of the Shadow Bird. I saved the world. This is gonna make it on the news. Unfortunately, probably not. Welcome to Birdian News. I'm Plantain. And I am Cherry, the Scarlet Macaw. So, did you hear the news? Nighthawk, the Nighthawk, just saved, what's our town called? Birdville. Saved Birdville from the Shadow Bird. And he will not roam again until, Halloween of 3824. How'd you get that information, Plantain? My intuition is something that bewitches the inexperienced. And the weather is good. Like the 60s.